Chapter 2. Respect, the starting point of good ethics. Respect people's feelings. Even if it doesn't mean anything to you, it could mean everything to them. What is respect? Respect is defined as a positive feeling of esteem or deference for a person or an entity. Respect can be a specific feeling of regard for the actual qualities of the one respected. Rude conduct is usually considered to indicate a lack of respect. Actions that honor somebody or something indicate respect. Respect is both given and received. We expect other people to respect us in return for the respect we show them. Respect cannot be measured as a quantity, cannot be bought or traded. It is one of those things that is earned and built over time. But it can be lost with one stupid or inconsiderate act. Respect cannot always be seen or observed by actions. But for those who practice chivalry, the outward display of respect is refreshing. Respect should not be confused with tolerance, since tolerance doesn't necessarily imply subordination to one's qualities, but means treating everyone as an equal. How to treat others with respect. Treating people with respect makes your world a nicer place to live in, whether it's at home, at school, or in your community. And it's easy, all you have to do is treat people the way you would like them to treat you. Here are a few ideas. Don't insult people or make fun of them. Listen to others when they speak. Value other people's opinions. Be considerate of people's likes and dislikes. Don't mock or tease people. Don't talk about people behind their backs. Be sensitive to other people's feelings. Don't pressure someone to do something he or she doesn't want to do. Cultural differences and respect. We live in a diverse nation made up of many different cultures, languages, races, and backgrounds. That kind of variety can make all our lives a lot more fun and interesting, but only if we get along with each other. And to do that, we have to respect each other. In addition to the above list, here are some ways we can respect people who are different from us. Try to learn something from the other person. Never stereotype people. Show interest and appreciation for other people's cultures and backgrounds. Don't agree to prejudices and racist attitudes. Some ways to show respect for others. Show kindness and courtesy. Stand in a well-mannered position during a conversation. Have manners to be respectful because manners are a part of being respectful. Seek permission before using someone's property. Think before you speak. Always use the basics. Please, thank you, and so on. Be respectful to others even if they are not respectful to you. Respect yourself or others will not respect you or may take advantage of you. Never insult anyone or say something that may offend them. Do not insubordinate or disobey a figure of authority.